my channel. It's Breland here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to add music to your story on episode. So before we get started, please leave a like if you enjoyed the video and if it helped you out at all, and subscribe to my channel because I'd love to have you guys join the episode crew. Don't forget to smash that bell button so you can be notified when I upload a video. Let's get started. So as always, you want to come down, you want to come to the right side of your screen, and you want to click on the sounds button. So to do that, you have a whole option. You have a whole bunch of options of sounds to choose from. So, for example, you can listen to this, like that, or you I don't know how to stop it from playing, just saying. I think you may have to like wait for it or something, or like, I don't know. So, yeah, you could do this. But, yeah, so what you want to do is you want to come down until you find the music. So, this is going to take a while, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm at the music now, so there's a whole bunch of musics to choose from. You could do a dance club, a danger club, danger sounds like this. Alright, and sometimes you can't play the music, I don't know why. I guess it's just something that the episode has to work on, but yeah, so for me, I made a little scene where I made a little scene where everybody's at the club and they're like standing waiting for the music to start playing, and then after it starts playing they're like all dancing. So we're gonna go ahead and find the music to choose. Let's see. They're not working, but it's okay. I guess we can do this one. So pretty much all you have to write is you have to write music, and then click on the music that you want. So I'm gonna do music club rap. So do that, and that's pretty much it. There's not much to it as usual. There's usually not much to it, to anything in my videos, but yeah, I'm just gonna make this little scene and I will be right back after this speed montage. Okay, so I'm now all done, so let's go ahead and see what it looks like. That's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like it if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel down below. And yeah, see you in the next video. Peace out.